Galaxy S26 leaks have been coming in for a while now, and most of them feel expected. This privacy display feature though, that's the first leak that really stood out. At first glance, it sounds like the usual don't let people peek at your phone on the train kind of feature. Shoulder surfing protection, nothing new, right? But then you dig a little deeper, and that's where it gets interesting, because this isn't just software, there's actual hardware involved, and apparently Samsung's been working on this for over 5 years. That alone tells you this isn't some quick toggle they slapped into one UI. The way it works is wild. The privacy protection happens at a pixel level, which basically means it's baked into the display itself, and that's why this almost certainly won't come to older phones with an update. Everything about the wording points to it debuting alongside One UI 8.5 on the Galaxy S26 lineup. New hardware, new tricks. Now, you might be thinking, okay, so it's just a built-in privacy screen protector, but no. Unlike those privacy films that permanently mess with brightness and viewing angles, this one doesn't have to stay on all the time. Your display can look completely normal until it needs to be private. Imagine this, you're entering a password, typing a PIN, or dealing with something sensitive. The privacy display automatically kicks in. The moment you're done, it turns off and you're back to full OLED viewing angles like nothing happened. And it gets even more granular. You can apply privacy protection only to specific apps. You can limit what's visible in notification pop-ups or messages. You can even adjust how aggressive the privacy effect is depending on how much shielding you want in that moment. So this isn't some always-on filter that you tolerate, it's something you control, fine-tuned, context-aware, on when you need it, gone when you don't. But honestly, this is the kind of feature that sounds small on paper, but once you live with it, going back would feel impossible. And yeah, this is why we're finally talking about the S26 series. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Peace.